language for describing certain things, and in that way, of course, it's analogous to music on a lot of levels, but mostly invisibly. I mean, with Delia Derbyshire, she was using maths a lot as well to determine the harmonics she was using within a sound, and of course, a lot of the stuff she was doing was tape editing as well, which meant that they basically were working with rulers all day long because they knew how long was a second or an eighth of a second. I also use analog computer stuff, and they are basically forming mathematical functions like division or multiplication or addition or subtraction, but you can start doing it with harmonics, and anything that makes a sound is a potential instrument. And with EAR, it's been quite a breadth of instrumentation and players. There was very little reason for me to do much more touring. I'm not planning on doing much more, if any, after this tour. I never did it to make shitloads of money, or believe me, I think I'm a bit I'm smart enough to do something where I can make more money if that's what I wanted to do. I mean, I'm going to be 50 in 3 years, so I'm just feeling that I got to the point in my life where I've done it enough. There'll always be a new generation who want to see the shows, and that's really nice, and that our shows, the reason that we can even do the shows that we do is mostly to do with a younger audience.